Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
With the beginning of June, tomorrow is the beginning of hurricane season in the Atlantic, and June typically is a pretty quiet month for hurricanes or tropical storms, but they do develop sometimes, and when they do, the typical breeding grounds are the Gulf, and when they do develop in the Gulf, they tend to move either up to the north or into the Corpus Christi area. We also see in the Western Caribbean, we see those typically in June developing and moving into the Yucatan and then potentially the Gulf, and then also off the coast of Florida. We tend to see them develop here and then pulling off the coastline there and moving out to sea. So the good news is that we start the season usually very slowly. In fact, if you look since 1851, only 13% of named storms have occurred in the months of June and July combined. We tend to see that number go up though as we head into late summer and early fall. We do have a tropical disturbance. This one is over the Yucatan Peninsula right now. It's something we're watching. It's not expected to do much development over the weekend as it'll be moving over the land, but once it gets into the Bay of Campeche, we are looking at the potential of some development next week. So this is one we'll watch right now in the next 48 hours, just a 20% chance of development, something we'll keep an eye on next week. What is the hurricane season forecast? It's actually pretty close to normal. The hurricane forecast officially coming in with anywhere from 9 to 15 storms. Normally we see around 12 and 4 to 8 hurricanes, major hurricanes 2 to 4. The normal number for that is 3. So we'll be keeping an eye on that as we're heading into the summer months. It's already feeling like summer here. We've been dealing with the heat, the humidity, and temperatures are no different today. Right now, we are still at 90 at Ingleside and 92 at Kingsville, Corpus Christi 91, the heat index over 100 in many areas. And this is going to continue right through the weekend. Plus, we had a lot of sunshine today, and we'll still see plenty of sun this weekend as well. The winds have come down, and those are going to stay under 20 miles an hour as we go through the weekend. So with that, with lighter wind tonight, the temperature coming down to 77. We'll see those upper 70s tonight with winds up to 12 miles an hour. Some clouds moving in tonight and moving back out tomorrow. Breaking down tomorrow's temperature, as you can see, by 9 o'clock we're at 83, but by 1 already up to 91. The winds staying under 15 miles an hour or close to it tomorrow from the southeast. So if you are going golfing tomorrow, perhaps, it looks like a pretty good day. And if you're heading to the reopening of the Palmilla Beach golf course, it looks good. However, a couple of hazards you want to watch, of course, is the heat. Drink lots of water if you're out there, especially in the afternoon. We're looking at those feels-like temperatures anywhere from 100 to 105 tomorrow. 92 as you go a little farther inland, but right at the beaches, if you're golfing, we're looking at 87 degrees for highs. Here are the forecast highs tomorrow, anywhere from 92 at Corpus Christi, Alice up to 95, Ingleside 91, and Port Aransas at 87. And the beaches tomorrow, not bad, but we are looking at there's pretty warm temperatures, and the rip current risk has come down, but still use caution as we still have that potential. Here is your 7-day forecast then as we look at temperatures all the way into next week. It doesn't change a lot, but they do go up a little. You can see by Sunday and Monday we inch up a degree on high temperatures, lows in the upper 70s. Not much rain in the forecast, but next week around Wednesday and Thursday I think we could have some showers coming in from the southwest with some tropical moisture. We'll be watching that as temperatures come down a little bit.